Lagi kong nakikita tong viral spicy peanut noodles sa feed ko. Pero masarap nga ba talaga? Nilagyan ko ng shrimp at Hungarian sausage for extra protein. First, para mas lumabas yung flavor ng roasted sesame seeds, i-pound muna natin. Then sa plate, add onion leeks, grated garlic, yung pounded sesame seeds, sugar, gochujang, hoisin sauce, at peanut butter. Next, initin natin ng bahagya yung oil, 1 tablespoon sesame oil and canola oil. Then, ibuhos natin directly sa sauce and add soy sauce and cane vinegar. Ang bango nito, grabe. Then mix until smooth and well combined. For the noodles, nagboil lang ako ng knife cut noodles. May nabibili nito online. Sobrang perfect niya for this recipe kasi kapit na kapit yung sauce. Saute your shrimp for about 2 minutes each side. Season with salt and pepper. Then lagyan natin ng 1 tablespoon ng sauce na ginawa natin for extra flavor. Then toss the noodles into that spicy peanut sauce until fully coated. Top it with the shrimp. Add a Hungarian sausage. Sprinkle some green onions. And ayan na. Honestly, pwede mo na itong kainin as is yung noodles. Sobrang sarap na. Nutty, spicy, balanse yung umami at hindi nakakaumay. Gets ko na kung bakit viral to. Try nyo na rin at sigurado magugustuhan nyo. I-save nyo na to and follow for my easy recipes.